met with members of the Progressive Governors Forum, where he has stated what he has said publicly already, that it is his intention to seek the office of the president come 2023, which he has already announced publicly. And he briefed us his reasons, his thinking, and his message. And the governors graciously all came to wait and listen to him so that we will digest what we say. He acknowledged the role of the governors in the last convention of the party, where he, according to him, the governors of the party steadied the party by helping in the evolution of a leadership that is accepted and that is widely acknowledged as that which we wish for our party. And the governors, I responded on behalf of the governors that we appreciate him, we appreciated the message, and we will definitely discuss the message at our one of our forums meeting. In fact, we appreciate our party. We have a party that has endeared itself to Nigerians, and there are many, very brilliant people in our party. Some serving, some not serving. And the fact that we have people in our party who express the desire to lead the party, the party into electoral contest at the highest office, shows how much this party has resonated with Nigerians and our party members. And for us, it's a hallmark of success that people are showing interest. But at the end of the day, because they are leaders of the party, they will always do what will put the party's best interest at heart. Thank you.
You see what you are doing?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have to trace me to wherever you can find me. I won't say anything more than what he has said. My mission is to seek collaboration, support, encouragement of my party, the APC, for my ambition and my mission to become the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Thank you.
Your son has just declared.
Thank you.
I have no son grown enough to declare.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.